Drift set by Policar. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to show you inside the what you get. You know, like I guess this is sort of an unboxing, my first one. But I wanted to show you the front and the back of the set box because I don't know if you know, maybe people haven't seen this before, but you know, I figured I'd do it just to show what you kind of get. So we'll look at the back now. So what you have here is obviously the back of the drift set box. There are 4 suggested layouts. As you can see, they kind of talk about them as far as easy, medium, and hard. The track does come with the set does come with quite a bit of track. I mean, 3.8 meters. That's a good amount of track. As you'll see, there's certain other things that come in the set that make it, I think, a really good value. There are nice track clips in there that really hold the track together very well, and especially, as I've discussed before, the power supply. I think you really can't underestimate kind of how important that is. The cars that come in the set, they're obviously 2 Subaru BRZs. They do have working front lights. You do get quite a bit of track in the set. You get 4 straights, as you can kind of see here on the back of the box. 12 R1 curves. You get a power base. You get a half straight to kind of balance everything out. And 36 locking clips, as well as stickers and numbers for the cars if you feel like stickering and numbering them to make them look like a, you know, kind of a Cup Series car or kind of a SCCA weekend racer kind of a car. This is good stuff. I think this personally, obviously I'm a little biased, but I think it's a really great set. So now let's take a look inside. Okay, so taking a look at what you get inside the the Policar Drift set. The set is 3.8 meters total. There's basically 4 suggested layouts you can do with the set. But really I'm going to focus kind of what's in the box, as you see here. So right off the rip here, you get a the start track piece, and you get a half straight. You get sticker sheets for the cars. Now I've taken these cars out and I've used them for some photos. So the cars don't come kind of as you see them here, but these are the cars you do get in the set. So this sticker sheet comes in the box. Pretty cool. You get the, I guess you'd call them roundels still. You get the roundels, and you do get numbers for these as well. I got the numbers are in there. So Policar, the sun shields, and some oxygen stickers, Policar stickers, slotted stickers, pretty cool stuff. Obviously, the 2 cars that come in the set, a red and a blue. These are the track clips. These track clips go into the sides of the track. There's like 2 prongs that go into the sides of the track. There, you can see it. And when these go into the sides of the track, trust me, that track is not coming apart. You get a bunch of them. How many do you get? You get 36. So that should be enough for, I don't know if it's enough for the entire track. It probably is. I'm assuming they counted this out because, you know, slotted or smart people. There you go. Unopened. Power supply. Talked a lot about the power supply. This is an adjustable power supply. This alone, heaven knows why, this has been the hardest nut for the slot car industry to crack in the modern era. This is the only set, to the best of my knowledge, that has an adjustable power supply in it. I'm sure people will correct me if I'm wrong. Please tell me if I'm wrong. I don't think there's other ways to adjust the power to the cars. I know that. Or how fast the cars go. I know that. An adjustable power supply. 5 volts, 6 volts, 7.5, 9 volts, 10.5, 12, and 13.5 volts. Trust me, if you can drive at 13.5 volts, even with the magnet around this track, you're a better man than I am. This is a European power supply. Does come with this adapter on it. It should be just fine. And when Slotit's involved, you know what you get? Hey, tires! Slotit tires. Extras, not only braids, and there's a guide in there, but you get tires. Look at that. Amazing. It's almost like these guys know what they're doing, because they do. The owner's manual. The most important thing that's on this, really, it shows you the contents. It shows you what's available separately. This kind of upselling, I think, is really important in catalogs. It's what got me into slot car racing and what kept me excited when I was a kid looking at catalogs. So this is in a number of different languages because that's what you got to do when you're in business. So there's maybe only one page here that applies to each person that might be looking at this video. But there you go. There's the manual. Now what you get? You get 4 basic straights, 358 millimeters, 12 of the R1 curves. These curves fit together. They're little pieces, so you get 4 of them for 180 degrees. And these guys, when they stick together, boy, do they stick together. This is fantastic track. There you go. That's a pretty tight curve right there, I'd say. That is the standard curve, the tightest curve that comes in a slot car set currently. I know that people make hairpin curves. Used to work for the company that did. And I tried to convince Carrera to make a hairpin curve, but they don't. This is a really tight curve. This will fit in the smallest space that any of the standard curves will in any of the sets. Standard curves. 12 of these guys in this set. That's pretty much it. This is, you know, it's, oh wait. I think the stickers, oh no, sorry. Controllers. Thumb controllers. Yay, thumb controllers. Anyway, I mean, that's what you get. It's a basic set. It's a standard jack, so you can put any kind of controllers you want with that connection onto this. There are the numbers, car numbers. You get a whole bunch of them. The stickers. Try to get the glare off here. There you go. Car numbers go on the roundels. So that's kind of a look around inside the Policar set. Please let me know in the comments if this is a kind of video you'd like to see more of. I don't really get many sets these days, but hey, you never know. Anyway, thanks for watching. This has been a unboxing, sort of the Policar Subaru BRZ Drift set. This is a 1/32 scale set, available now here in the US.